So one of the first things you want to do once getting on this GoNoodle site and after signing in is pick your own class. So it'll take you here, and you're going to hit New Class. I'm going to name this one EDU 122. Let's just say we're 3rd grade. Let's play. So here you get to pick your champ, and this is part of the reward system. So let's just pick a random one. Play. So now at the bottom here you'll see our champ. Part of the perks of the champ is after you play a video, let's say we do this one, it's going to play the whole video. I'm just going to skip to the end. And because we watched it, or some of it, normally it would take us to this dot right here. But because I skipped it, it only gave us partial credit. So after you watch a whole video, it takes you a step further and a step further to getting 10 of these dots in a row. So after watching 10 videos, you get the opportunity to upgrade your champ. And he kind of grows. So what they like to say is you get to grow your champ. So what I usually see with classroom teachers is they will make a mini math lesson out of this process. So let's say you watch one video, and even in kindergarten they do this, but they have 1 out of 10 done. And so the classroom teacher might say, okay, so we watched one video today. How many more videos do we need to watch to get to 10 before we get to upgrade our champ? And so it's easy to do fun math like that, which is also engaging and encouraging for the kids. And yeah, so that's our champ. And you can do many different classes. So as you can see, I have 3 classes. And that's it.